Hi, today we're out here shooting some wolf soft points. I'm going to shoot them through my AR upper that's chambered in 7.62 by 3.9. I'm going to do an 8-shot group. We're going to kind of see what the grouping's like. I'm not, going for the bullseye. I'm just trying to see how those bullets group in a pattern. So let's get after it. Okay, let's go ahead and zoom in. This is a wolf soft point. And I had a little bit of a problem back there. I only had 6 in the mag instead of 8, so that's why it took a little longer for it to shoot. Let's go ahead and zoom in. And you can see it's a pretty good size. I'm going to say that's about a 6-inch grouping. It'd be a little iffy you had a deer at 100 yards, but it is what it is. 4 of them grouped real well, or 5 of them. It's just those outside stragglers.